Always make sure your equipment's unplugged before you ever turn anything on or before you get ready to turn it on and cut something. A lot of people get hurt that way. Used to, I held a lot of these little things with another little clamp or whatever, but now I found out with this wooden clamp here, it holds stuff so much better, a less chance of spinning out of your hand and getting hurt. And I have broke a bit, and I have had a few things fly out of my hand. Of course, my grip's not what it used to be. So I just got this set in this little block here to go down. I'm going to make a jewelry box, or not a box, but to hold your rings or whatever you want to hold in place. And I've got a 2-inch Forstner bit in here. You can make these blocks however thick you want them, however big, wide, whatever size you want. And I'm going to just drill it down about halfway through. That's what I mean by holding this here, holding onto this. Having this foot pedal here is a tremendous help and a lot more safer. So I just drilled my hole down about 2/3 of the way. You can make it whatever depth you actually want. It doesn't really matter at this point. So I'm using like a 1/4-inch dowel. I've got my little pilot hole right there. This drill, after I bought it, never stays locked. After drilling this hole, it's a little tight for this dowel, so I put it in my drill, put some sandpaper down, and I just fold it over to make it a little bit smaller. You don't want it too loose. You just want it enough to where it turns. Yeah, that's a good fit. Nice and snug, and it turns, and it's not loose and sloppy. So when I put the lid in, put a dowel through the top, which you can see it down through there. And then I glued it in here to the top. And then this just flips open. If you want, you can put a magnet in here and a little nail up in here if you want it to more or less sit there and stay closed, but this still, with just the dowel in there, it stays pretty much where you want it. Just a whole two-thirds of the way down and a dowel pin through it. The important part is making sure you drill real straight. So this is a finished jewelry box or ring box, whatever you want to call it or put in it. You can put in watch rings, earrings, whatever. The top just turns and slides open. Made with Forstner bits. A little bit of padding down here in the bottom. This is just made out of a small limb of a tree. For some reason you need to take the top off. It just pops out. Just have a dowel rod that goes about 75% of the way down in there. But it's enough to hold it completely in place. Cedar Ring box.